Hi, it's Bill Wilson Jr. with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this hollow spindle oil field lathe. This particular machine has a 9-inch plus on the spindle bore with two 24-inch 4-jaw chucks. It happens to be a national model LB32-120. That being said, we're going to go ahead and show you how well this machine performs, runs, sounds, and operates here at Machinery Consultants. I'm good. In Salt Lake City, Utah. We'll run maybe 4 selected spindle speeds. Let's go ahead and start out your spindle speeds, Frank. Let's see what you got. I got it. That's 7 RPM. There's a range of 12 spindle speeds going from 5 to 300 RPM. Look, this is feeling good. Okay, coming down. $67 RPM. The spindle taper on this machine is an A115. It has 2 heavy pattern 24-inch 4-jaw chucks with about a 10.5-inch hole in the chucks. So there's one on the front, one on the rear. The machine's set up with pendant control as well as saddle control. That was beautiful the way you have those chucks set up, guys. So again, it's an LB32-120, the mid-1990s. This is a clean one-owner machine. It came out of a single-man shop. Very limited use, very well maintained. I guess what we're saying, it wasn't a production machine. It's 205 RPM. So we have the two 24-inch 4-jaw chucks, A115 spindle taper. We have the standard factory 4-way tool post. This was set up with, what did we say, 2.5 inch on the hole right here? 2.5 inch on your hole opening. 2.5. 2.5, very nice, very nice. What a brain. Your cross slide. We're going to get into the feed operation, show you some of the threading engagement, the half nut. We're just trying to focus on some of the RPM spindle speeds, get you a feel for how the machine sounds on the business end. It's 300 RPM. Right on. 20 horsepower main drive motor. Tico electric, real sanitary electrical cabinet. We have the taper attachment mounted on the rear. Caterpillar style electricals. Roller bearing style steady rest. 2-speed tailstock. Okay, 3 minutes, 35 seconds in. Looking good, Frank. Where do you want me? We're going to go ahead and select the spindle speed, then we'll engage a couple of the feeds for you. That's 98 RPM. Just going to point out we have a real nice chart. 1 second, I'll be right there. Real nice chart here. We have the inch, we have the metric for your thread cutting, and then here's your feed in imperial as well as metric right through here. Then here's your ABC lever with your spindle speed range here. You have your low and then your high range. So here's your low and your high range. So 2 speed ranges is what we're saying. It's a really user-friendly machine. Okay. We have the overall weight at about 16,100 to 18,000 pounds. Right on. It's pretty smooth. So we have the power rapid traverse, we have the spindle operations, carriage feeding inward. Cross slide feeding inward. These dials sure look good, don't they? Camera to focus. Nice stout compound. So we just measured the cross-slide travel. It's approximately, all right, let's talk some specs. Okay, we just measured the cross-slide travel. It's approximately 12 inches and change right during the cross-slide travel. To swing over your bed, it's an LB32 120. Your swing over bed is approximately 33 and a half. Your swing over your carriage is approximately 22 inches. Your center distance is at 120. That's 10 foot of centers from your center line of your spindle to the front of your tailstock. Speaking of the tailstock, we have a number 6 Morse Taper quill in this 2-speed graduated tailstock. Go ahead, bro. Set up with the 1-to-1 and a 4-to-1. Nice. We haven't timed it perfectly. All right, ready? The machine also includes a Jacobs 20N keyed drill chuck. Thank you. Beautiful. Beautiful heavy-duty keyed drill chuck. Has a number 6 Morse Taper shank on it. Thank you. That accents it well. Roller bearing style steady rest, 15-inch hole. If there's any questions on this machine, let us know. A good way to reach us is by dropping an email at mci@machineryconsultants.com. Again, the email is mci@machineryconsultants.com. Rear shot of the ways. Okay, let's do an outro. 20 horsepower main drive. All right, cool. A lot of machine to show in 7 minutes or less. All right, well, let us know if there's anything we can help with. We offer excellent freight rates. We're here in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're on the phone all the way. 801-531-9500. Thank you very much. Again, the mci@machineryconsultants.com is a great email to get a hold of us at. Our website is www.machineryconsultants.com. We'll have this posted soon. This machine just arrived in. We just got done finishing, going through, checking everything out, and it's beautiful, testing the main operations of the machine. Happy spare stock number 20069-2022. Well, until next time, I'd like to thank you for your time to watch this video. It's Bill Machinery Consultants. Be happy, be healthy. Thanks again. Have a great day. Peace.